Hi, my name is Tanya from Pro Camera Repair. Today we will be going over some helpful hints on maintaining your camera equipment. In this segment, we will be going over keeping your camera's sensor clean. The first thing you will need to do is to make sure that you dust off your lens cap before putting that on your lens. Once you have done that, you can then dust the contact between your lens and the camera body. Once you have done that, you can then disengage the lens, making sure that you do not brush the contacts when the lens is disengaged. You can then brush off your lens cap before putting that on your camera body, and make sure you do the same with the rear lens cap. Again, this will help keep your camera sensor